Today we are going to upgrade this application. This is basically an artifact manager application which I started to experience and integrate different services that provide us the way to upload our files, folders somewhere in the clouds. So we are aiming to cover S3, Cloudinary, Google Drive, Dropbox, and each and every service we explore during that time. And even if you guys have any service that we should see in terms of integration, just let us know. We will try to integrate with this application as well. For now, this is on .NET 6.0. There's been a long time we haven't touched this application. So the first thing to continue with this project, we should upgrade this to .NET 8.0, which is our long-term support framework. So for that one, I will go to first of all presentation layer, the WinForm application. I will right click and there is an option of upgrade. So currently I am on Visual Studio version 17.8.3. So with this and with few lower versions, we have this option available as well. So we will be clicking on upgrade and we have an option in place project upgrade. Yes, we have couple of options. I have .NET 7.0, 8.0, but I don't have 9.0. So I will continue with 8.0. Next, yes, each and every class in that project, I want that one to be upgraded to .NET 8.0. This will help us to continue this project and keep things simple and up to date. And I would recommend you guys to make sure you have your project at least on long-term version. Okay, this one has been upgraded and let's go to the console application upgrade. I want this one to be on .NET 8.0 as well. It will take few seconds because those are not huge projects. Done. Let's go to the infrastructure and again upgrade and 8.0 everything should be updated as well. Last but not least, the models. So we want to upgrade those models as well. There was a time where we only have that CLI version of that upgrade assistant available. I did that as well, and that was a bit detailed process. But with the inclusion of this feature in Visual Studio, it's awesome and just few clicks away to upgrade your project to latest framework. All should be done. Let me quickly double check. 8.0 upgraded. 8.0. Just click on the project and we can see the project file. Should be fine as well. Okay, let's rebuild the whole solution just to check everything is working as expected. I just want to open form 1.cs just to see where we were in terms of design. Seems like we started previously and it's in progress at the moment. Nothing added in terms of control, which is fine. And in the console, I can see we have integrated the DI and also we started to pulling the list of files from Cloudinary service. Okay, let's give it a try just to see if everything is working fine. And for that one, I will be making this one a starter project, which is our console application. It will give us the list of files on our Cloudinary account. So yes, we can still able to get the list of files, which is very good. Okay, so that was all in the video. So we just have restarted this project and I will keep adding videos and keep covering this functionality because there is a lot to do in this particular project and this is basically a need at the moment as well because there are a number of cloud services available which are providing a hosting service because there are plenty of cloud services available which are providing the services for our artifact. We can use them and the idea behind this project was to able to access all different cloud services from within a single application so that I can access Cloudinary, I can access S3, I can access Azure containers, and I can able to access bunch of other services as well, including Dropbox, Google Drive, and etc. etc. All through a single application. So I will be creating a roadmap for this one, and I will start creating videos for this, and that will be an interesting series. So stay tuned and keep watching. This is Smart Code.